I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a ready device and signed-in Apple ID. That's why you checked iOS and two-factor first. Now, open the ticket email or the event app and tap Add to Apple Wallet. If the email shows a QR or barcode, press the link. If not, choose Share and select Wallet. Once done, confirm the pass appears in Wallet and shows event name, date, and venue. This initial action registers the pass to your device and links it to your Apple ID for syncing. After adding the pass, inspect its details so you don't run into surprises at the door. Make sure the barcode or QR is sharp and that seat, date, and venue are correct. Blurry images fail scanners. Next, enable the relevant notifications, location, or time, so the ticket surfaces automatically when you arrive. If you use an Apple Watch, add the pass there for faster access. These steps reduce friction at entry and ensure the scanner reads the pass cleanly. Before you leave, perform a quick run-through. Open Wallet, tap the new pass, and display the barcode full screen to ensure it scans. If it won't open or the barcode is missing, first force close the app or refresh the email, then remove and re-add the pass. Reboot the device as a fallback. If problems persist, contact the ticket provider with your order number and a screenshot of the issue. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most problems and keeps you on schedule for entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.